Hey folks, Jang here from ultimaterc.com with the very first look at a work-in-progress project. This is my airboat slash recovery boat. I took it out yesterday for its very first time being floated in open water. This is actually a little lagoon or a cove that's connected directly to the Pacific Ocean here. And that's literally, you just saw the very first time that it was set down in any water other than my bathtub. Now, like I said, this is a work in progress. I haven't tried to make it look pretty at all yet. Ultimately, everything will get covered up and it'll get some scale detailing, but I just wanted to try it out and make sure that the functions were working correctly before I started getting too much into the form. Now, onto the back of this thing with a little plastic carabiner is connected a fishing line, and you can see it's connected to a little cheap Walmart fishing reel here. Also used some stick-on floats to help just give me some visibility of where that line is, and the whole purpose of that line is to make sure that I don't lose this boat. So if the recovery craft goes out to recover another boat that has, gone dead, and then the recovery boat itself goes dead, at least I'll be able to bring the recovery boat back to shore by just simply reeling it in. It's a backup to the backup. Since this was just the very first test, I was running this intentionally underpowered. It's supposed to be run on 3S with this motor and propeller combination, but it's just running on 2S right here. Still managed to get pretty respectable speed for something that's effectively designed to work like a tugboat. Very, very maneuverable also. And basically this test showed me that this thing is good to go and ready to move on to its next stage. Basically everything went according to plan, except for one thing. I actually learned that I need to use more of the floats. I can't get lazy with those. I need to put them every however many feet to make sure that the line doesn't go underwater. I didn't realize that fishing line would so quickly sink all the way to the bottom. So I actually got it stuck on the bottom. No problem. I was able to get the vehicle back just by cutting the line and driving it in. Got my floats back too. And I just need to go back to Walmart and get some more floats and I'll be good to go. As you can see, this thing can spin within its own length, and also very important for a recovery craft, it has the ability to reverse, something that my little push bar conversion on my little cheap Megatech boat did not have. The construction of the hulls and deck is all just from pink insulation foam, and the motor pylons are bass plywood and just plain basswood. 2 Hobby Wing 35 amp car ESCs are used with an Elevon mixer in the middle. And that's it for now. I look forward to taking this thing out again. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.